Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 5 best mini ITX case, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Fractal Design Ridge Black. The Fractal Design Ridge is the ultimate mini ITX case for those who demand a balance of style, performance, and efficiency. Crafted for gaming enthusiasts and entertainment lovers, this mini tower merges a sleek, modern aesthetic with high functionality, ensuring it fits seamlessly into any living space. Its compact yet capable design is perfect for maximizing performance while minimizing bulk, making it an ideal choice for small form factor PC builds. Designed with ease of access in mind, Ridge features fully removable panels, allowing for quick, hassle-free installation and maintenance. It comes equipped with a PCIe 4.0 riser card, optimizing GPU placement for improved airflow and performance. With support for GPUs up to 335 millimeters in length, this case accommodates powerful graphics cards, enabling top-tier gaming experiences in a compact frame. The bottom-mounted power supply design enhances space efficiency while keeping the build clean and organized. An air cooling system ensures optimal thermal performance, preventing overheating even in demanding setups. Whether you're crafting a high-performance gaming PC or a media center powerhouse, the Ridge delivers an exceptional small form factor experience without compromise. With its premium build quality and thoughtful engineering, this case is a must-have for those looking to pack powerful hardware into an elegantly compact footprint. Number 2. Fractal Design Terra Jade. The Fractal Design Terra FDC TR1N03 is a stunning mini ITX mini tower that blends high performance with premium materials in a compact 10.4L design. Crafted for gamers who appreciate both power and aesthetics, this case supports GPUs up to 322 millimeters in length, making it a space-saving powerhouse for modern builds. Designed with elegance in mind, Terra features a front-facing panel made from FSC-certified solid walnut, bringing a touch of nature to your setup. The anodized aluminum exterior, including an 8 mm thick aluminum front, provides a sleek, high-end feel while ensuring durability. Inside, the stepless, slidable central wall offers 30 millimeters of internal flexibility, allowing you to optimize space for cooling, GPU placement, and other components. The bottom-mounted power supply enhances airflow efficiency, while the 120 millimeters cooling system keeps temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. For convenience, the front-facing I/O includes an aluminum power button, 2 USB ports, and a USB Type-C 20 gigabits per second port, ensuring fast connectivity for modern peripherals. Whether you're building a powerful gaming rig or a stylish workstation, the Fractal Design Terra delivers a perfect balance of form, function, and craftsmanship in a remarkably compact footprint. Number 3. GOPIE Mini ITX Computer Case. The GOPIE T03 Micro ATX PC case delivers a stunning 3-sided panoramic view with tempered glass panels, showcasing your build in all its glory. Designed with a dual-chamber layout, it efficiently separates cables, storage, and PSU from other components, ensuring maximum airflow to the GPU and a clutter-free aesthetic. Despite its compact, mini tower size, the T03 boasts impressive hardware compatibility, supporting micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, GPUs up to 330 millimeters, and CPU coolers up to 157 millimeters in height. With right-side mounting for up to a 240 millimeters liquid cooler and space for up to 5 120 millimeters fans, it provides high-performance airflow for superior cooling. Engineered for optimal heat dissipation, the perforated rear panels enhance ventilation, keeping temperatures low during intense gaming sessions. The strategically designed interior layout allows for smooth installation, making it easy for PC builders to customize and optimize their setup. GOPIE ensures a hassle-free experience, offering responsive customer support for any inquiries. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a gaming enthusiast, the GOPIE T03 delivers a perfect balance of style, airflow, and functionality in a space-efficient design. Number 4. Thermaltake Black Tempered Glass ASE. The Tower 100 Mini ITX chassis is a compact yet powerful solution that brings the legendary design of the Tower 900 into a smaller, more efficient package. Its 3-4 mm thick tempered glass panels, front, left, and right, offer an uninterrupted view of your components, making it a stunning centerpiece in any setup. Whether you're showcasing a powerful gaming PC or a sleek workstation, the Tower 100 gives your build an eye-catching display from every angle. Designed with efficiency and convenience in mind, it features a handy I/O panel with a high-speed USB Type-C connector and 2 USB 3.0 ports, ensuring seamless and quick data transfer. Inside, its unique layout supports up to 2 3.5-inch HDDs or 4 2.5 SSDs, with convenient dedicated brackets for SSD installation, making upgrades and maintenance easier than ever. The Tower 100 also offers exceptional dust protection with 8 ultrafine filters strategically placed on the top, bottom, left, and right sides. These filters keep your system clean and free from dirt, and they're easily removable for quick and easy cleaning. With outstanding airflow, premium aesthetics, and a user-friendly design, the Tower 100 Mini ITX chassis is perfect for anyone looking to build a compact, high-performance PC. Number 5. JONSBO Black Mini ITX PC Case. The simple compact desktop ITX mesh PC case is a sleek, practical solution for those seeking a minimalist and space-efficient case. With dimensions of 202mm x266mm x295.2mm it's designed to fit seamlessly into any environment, providing a compact and easy-to-place chassis. The case features an adjustable carry handle with a Velcro fastener, allowing for effortless portability, making it ideal for those who frequently move their system. Its all-mesh sides promote excellent airflow, ensuring heat dissipation and optimal cooling performance. The quick-release structure simplifies assembly and maintenance with an easy-to-open top cover and removable ventilation grill for easy fan installation. It's compatible with ITX/Mini DTX motherboards and can accommodate an ATX power supply up to 140mm or SFX PSU. The case also supports a GPU up to 255mm and CPU coolers up to 170mm, allowing for a variety of high-performance components. With space for a 120mm fan at the top, rear, and bottom optional, along with support for 1x3.5-inch HDD or 1x2.5 SSD, it offers ample cooling and storage options. The front interface includes Type-C, USB 3.0, and audio/mic combo ports for convenient connectivity. Made from 0.7mm steel plate, this case strikes a balance between durability and style, offering a streamlined, high-performance solution for your ITX build.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.